Hey everybody, Mr. Regan here, and today we're going to be looking at how to play a game called Snakes and Ladders. This is also called Chutes and Ladders, and is a game that you play against multiple people rather than just a partner. So let's take a look at how we play. You're going to be assigned a group of 3 to 4 people and put into a breakout room with them. And when you're put in there, you're going to be given a slide, so maybe slide number 6, which means you and your group would be on board number 3. And that's how we're going to organize you guys and girls today. Now, each player is going to pick a color from the board, youngest to oldest, and the oldest person will be able to roll a dice and move their piece with the youngest person going last. So youngest gets to pick their color, but oldest gets to go first. Each player will attempt to move their piece from the start box to the finish box using the ladders to help them and avoiding the snakes at all costs. And first player to get to the very last box will obviously win. If a player rolls a dice video and ends up on a ladder, they get to climb the ladder to that new space. If a player lands on a snake, though, they have to slide down the snake to the previous space. Okay, so let's take a look at how that works. Excuse me. It starts with whoever the oldest is rolling dice. So maybe they're number 4, they're the blue team, and they're going to roll their dice by starting the video. And when they pause it, they'll notice, oh, I got the number 4. So this person would move 4 spaces. Okay, they pick up their piece. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, look, my person landed on a ladder. So notice the ladder goes from spot number 4 to spot number 14. They get to jump all the way to spot number 14. Okay. The next person would go and so on, doing the same thing, playing the video, stopping. Oh, they got to 6, so they go to 6, so on and so forth. You only need to worry about the snakes and the ladders where they start and stop. Okay, so like, for example, let's say you land on 6 here. Yes, there's a snake, but that doesn't really matter, okay? The snake only matters if you land on its head, and the ladder only matters if you land at its base. So let's say this person obviously moves their 6, and so on and so forth. The game plays on. Let's say each person takes their turn. It's number 4's turn again, and they roll a 1, 2, they roll a 3, okay? Because they roll a 3 and they landed on the head of the snake, they're going to slide all the way down the body to the tail, and they have to go back to number 7, okay? And that's how the game plays. Everybody continues to roll, trying to get all the way through the very beginning to the very end and getting to the finish spot. Obviously, that's how you win. In this map, if you notice, or I'm sorry, in this board, if you notice, you get to spot number 80, you also get the automatic win because you get all the way to the finish, and that is how you play. Each person taking their turn, rolling their dice, trying to get to the end. If you have questions, reach out. Otherwise, good luck.